Welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships, episode 22. And well, yeah, they're off and racing. What? Sorry about that. This over the jump. Careful not to get impaled on those spikes. Through the maze now. And yeah. Now Lewa is going to go over the loop-de-loop. Yes. And up around. Someone's just missed him with a dog. Around over the jump. Past the pits, into the maze, off and on to the loop-de-loop. Around, up round. What's that electrical things there? Over this bridge, and around, down, and around. Going. What's just gone on there? Over the jump, around, past the pits, into the maze. Someone letting off electrical bomb. Hello. On to the loop. Right round. Someone's been destroying Lewa's car. Yes. And end of race.